So, as I explained that Saudi Arabians term the petrol as a liquid gold. Why? While selling this, they earn a lot of money, and so this is a like a gold to them, a huge resource. Beside petrols, what are the other things, other minerals we can find? They find in that desert land: gold, copper, silver, iron ore. Iron ore means raw iron. Okay, and other minerals found here. The main industries of Saudi Arabia are petrochemicals. Petrochemicals mean, yes, Raj, they have searched it. That's why they found it. They have searched it through pipes. When there is something below the, how we found our coals here. A long ago, someone found some specimen or some signs that there could be something inside the ground. After this, they started this mining like that, no? Acha. The main industries of Saudi Arabia are petrochemicals. Petrochemicals means, yes, Aviraj. Today's network is very bad. I can't do anything there. You have to compromise. I'll provide you a recorded version of this class too. If you have missed anything, you can listen that too. But after that yesterday's rain, the net Wi-Fi connection is too slow. I don't know how to manage it. Yeah. Yes. It was not that bad, but after from today's morning, it is too slow. Acha, leave it. So petrochemicals means anything which is we can create from petrols, like petrol, diesel. You know, na, the Vaseline are a product of petrol. Do you know that? Huh? The Vaseline you use in your skin is a product or extra product, or jelly, petroleum jelly. These are some petroleum jellies which comes out of the petrols. The Vaseline is a extra product after the extraction of the petrol and diesel. Whatever left from that, they create the Vaseline type of things. Okay. Acha. Petroleum refineries. That means they will refine the petrols, iron and steel industries, fertilizer and cement too. These are the industries mainly prominent in where? Saudi Arabia. Now the life of people. That's we learn about that they have a rich country. Definitely if it is a rich country, the life of the people will also be good, because if they have money they could buy anything, and their lifestyle or the uh, mm, everything will be better than other developing countries. Before the discovery of the oil, people of Saudi Arabia led a nomadic life. Nomadic life means they visit a place to place. They don't have proper life, they don't have proper houses, jobs, or anything. But one can find nomads rearing their sheep and goats. Right now, there are still nomads in Arab, but not most of it. The wanderer from place to place in search of water and green pastures for their cattle. In the main desert city, there are beside city, the when in the middle of the desert, these nomads also uh, visit a places to places to search of water for their cattles like camel and other cattles. Okay, so they visited places to places just to search the water. These are, I am talking about the nomads, those who are traveling all the time. But there are a lot of people who don't travel in the middle of the deserts. They have proper jobs, they have proper life. Okay, they travel in a group called caravans. The nomads, when they traveled in a group, okay, when they are traveling in a group, they known as caravans. Camp near an oasis. Okay, camp near an oasis. One such tribe is the Bedouins, one of the tribe, one of this tribe has a name called Bedouins. This is Bedouin group. Okay, this type of people is always called as Bedouins. What it is they called? Bedouins. Repeat after me. Bedouins. Yes, these are some people, those who are nomad too. But now most of the Bedouins are adopting the modern life. As I told you, modern life, they accepted it, they are living in a country, they are having the job. Even in Arab, many people go from other countries and stay and do the jobs, like from India, from Bangladesh, from America, from Iran, Oman. Many people go to the Arab and stay there and do different type of jobs just to search for their jobs. They stay there. Okay, because they gives a lot of money for the jobs they don't have in their own country, so they travel to other country. Important cities. Riyadh is the capital and the largest city of the Saudi Arabia. So the question might come, what is the largest city of Saudi Arabia? Your answer will be Riyadh. What is the capital of the Saudi Arabia? Your answer will be Riyadh. Okay, it's modern and well planned city with skyscraper. Do you know what is a if you can see the skyscrapers are the highest buildings, just look like it's just touching the sky. Those highest towers, highest buildings are known as skyscrapers. So they have a lot of skyscrapers, parks, markets, hospitals, school, everything. Jeddah, this is another city. So we are learning about Riyadh first. Now we are learning about Jeddah. Jeddah is another important city of Saudi Arabia, and it has a big seaport. Seaport means where there seas, there different ships are coming. Okay, and also an airport. So both the ships and the aeroplane will mostly landed in a city called Jeddah. Okay, Jeddah. Makkah and Medina is another important city. If you have heard it, Makkah and Medina is the very important holy place. Holy place means it's a religion place for those who follow the Islamic religion. Like for us, in Hindus, they have Banaras, okay, then Puri, Dakshineshwar. We have these cities now where we go just for um, fulfilling our religious need. Makkah and Medina is exactly like that. Many people around the world who are following the Islamic religion, Makkah is one of the biggest religion city. It known as a holy city. Holy means pure. Okay, millions of Muslims from all over the world come to these places where this Makkah and Medina, like an annual pilgrims. Like in every year, once a time, there is every people of every country around the country come to Makkah and Medina and visit. So every year on a particular time, 1 month or 2 months, on a particular time they visited Makkah and Medina, and this type of visit is known as Hajj. Hajj. Maybe you heard this word Hajj karne ja raha hu. I'm going for a Hajj. Hajj means they are going Makkah and Medina. They are going for a travel which is mainly for their religion. Okay. So we have completed this chapter economy, life of the people, and also the important cities. Correct? Okay. Now there are some key terms. Key terms, that is the word meaning. Everyone will learn it. Bedouin. Bedouin means a nomadic tribe. Nomadic means who travel place to place of Saudi Arabia. Oasis, an area in the desert where underground water comes up on the surface. Petrochemical, any chemical substance obtained from petrol, oil. Okay, petroleum oil. So, like the previous chapter, you will draw this diagram, round up diagram. This diagram, round up, okay? Everybody will draw this diagram. I'll show you, wait. This one, this pink one. Okay. Yes, that one. Yes, yes, that one. Which will come? These diagrams? No, no, this diagram is for practice. If you do this diagram, a lots of thing, you can send me in WhatsApp app through messaging, or you can directly send me in WhatsApp. But try to use the WhatsApp app as much as you can.